we have to move the laser head upper to find the focus. So you will see here. So now is the focus point. This is the focal point. And then the same way, we have to select the point. Select here. You can click here, or you can use the quick keyboard, space keyboard. Press here as well. So the first point we got, and then we move. We move it down, and then when you move down, the head need also follow the curve. Follow the curve. Use the Z up and down to find the focus point because it's curved. After you find the point, and then select here the center. And then move to the next point. Okay, next point. Next point. Next point. Next point. So here is autofocus, so we have to adjust the Z. So the lights will move to let you see it clearly. After you find all the curve path, so you select the edit mode and combine. So we have simulation here. See the path preview. Here is the stop point. This has a curve. Okay, so we will work in the laser. So you can see from camera. Before that, the parameter is according to your object. You should adjust. A little bit hot. See here. This is for curve. So if you have an object that is circle, so we can draw a circle here as well. So select the circle. Okay. Make the focus. Use the up and down to find the focus. So the clear point, that is the focus point. So use the same method. We collect the point. For the curve, for the circle, we have to collect the 3 points. So after 30 points, you will see we got a curve circle here. I will just use low power to try. Line simulation running. See, it's running a curve, circles. It's running a circle. Okay, laser. Okay. So now we will shut down the machine. First, close the software, close the computer. Shut down the camera. Shut down the laser. Power for laser. Power for the driver. Emergency switch. Need which this is for. Okay.